local public services and local government must harness the opportunity of new technologies to deal with the challenges that they face. The worry, if I have one, is that it is too easy to simply assume that we need to buy some new clever technology. We need to go to the IT department and expect it to be world class in order to perhaps mask some of the outdated practices that we know and love and don't wish to change within our organizations. And I have some sympathy with that, because the amount of disruption that technology is causing in every organization is huge. And at the moment, with pressure on resources, with the transparency that exists in the public sector, with the need for proper democratic accountability, you've got to be quite careful how you manage change. We cannot have public service organizations failing because they have applied technology in an inappropriate fashion or they've not handled it well. So there are some big opportunities around new technology models. I often talk about cloud and social media, mobile and flexible working tools. These are important, but they need to be set in the context of the way an organization and a public service organization will work in the future. That is, for example, much greater self-service. Self-service by employees, by suppliers, by partners, let alone by the public. Much greater automation. And I mean end-to-end automation. I don't mean automating quite a lot of it, but you then have to dip in and do a manual process at the end. We need the public to be able to do much, much more for themselves end-to-end. And we're beginning to see a lot of transactional systems designed in that way. But there's a whole lot more that we could do, especially across organizations. And I think there's also a big challenge around how we can use information to allow services to truly be shared and integrated at a local level. I think it's very much about place and service, certainly for local government.